Welcome again, Justin with PlumbSmart Heating and Air. Today we're going to talk about the Trane XR17 17 SEER two-stage equipment. This model has a 10-year compressor warranty, 10-year coil and parts warranty. It is made in Tyler, Texas. Texas, at their facility, they have this thing called a torture chamber, where they put this thing through 2 years of testing before it is ever released to the public. So it goes from extreme temperatures for heat, like 120, 130 degrees, down to negative 30 in 2 days. Again, tested, built in Tyler, Texas. The two-stage operation on this Trane XR17 SEER system works like this. It turns on in first stage cooling, which it is designed to run at 70%, okay? Designed to run in that first stage cooling to keep your house cooler at a more efficient rate. When it needs to, hot part of the day, cooking dinner, having a party, it'll go into that second stage automatically, okay? It does this without you having to touch the control for it, which it comes with the Trane XR control. It's wireless, Wi-Fi, smartphone enabled control. All spine fin aluminum coils. And then the second part of the system is the air handler, which has an all aluminum coil, micro fin channel, which is designed to transfer heat better, because that's what you're doing with this AC, the XR17 AC system, is getting rid of heat and or cooling in your house, you know, to make your house more comfortable. SRP has a rebate on this on two-stage equipment, $150 per ton, and the tons are, again, full tons, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you have a 3-ton unit, you will then get a rebate from SRP for that system. Again, PlumbSmart services, Mesa, Tempe, Gilbert, Chandler, Phoenix, Scottsdale, Queen Creek, Cave Creek. Our phone number is 480-654-8865. And if you want to come down to our showroom, take a look around, we're at 3010 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona. Thank you. Again, I'm Justin with PlumbSmart, and this is Trane's XR17 17 SEER.